What is printer? How it works? Types of printers? What is printer? Printer is an output device which prints a hard copy of the electronic data that is stored in the computer or any other devices. Computer data can be in the form of text images or the combination of both. After keyboard and mouse, printer is the only device that is used the most. Ctrl+P is a keyboard shortcut most often used to print a document or page. There are also printers in the market that can be printed out by connecting to the computer via Wi-Fi and Google Cloud or Bluetooth. History of printer. Charles Babbage designed the first mechanical printer in the 1800s. For use with the difference engine that he also developed in 1822. After this, in 1968, the Japanese company Epson made the first electronic printer. In 1984, Hewlett-Packard made the first laser printer. Types of printer. Impact printer. Non-impact printer. Impact printer. Impact printer are the printers in which there is physical or mechanical contact between print head and the paper. Their printers are noisy printer. They are mostly used in business where multi-part forms are required. Two types of impact printer. Character printer. Line printer. Character printer. Character printer is a printer which print only one character at a time. They are slow and are rarely used. Types of character printer. Dot matrix printer. Daisy wheel printer. Dot matrix printer. In today's time, dot matrix printer is rarely seen because their print quality is low and it is also very noisy. Daisy wheel printer. Only text can be printed with this type of printer. In today's time, daisy wheel printer is rarely used. Line printer. Line printer is the printer which print a line at a time. Document can be printed rapidly with this printer. Types of line printer. Chain printer. Drum printer.
Chain printer. An early line printer that used type slugs linked together in a chain as its printing mechanism. The chain spun horizontally around a set of hammers. When the desired character was in front of the selected print column, the corresponding hammer hit the paper into the ribbon and onto the character in the chain. Drum printer impact prints. Uses a cylindrical drum. Hence it is called drum prints. Characters are raised on the drum surface. All hammers are strike at the same time. One rotation of drum prints one line. Drum rotate vertically. They are much faster than character prints. Printing speed varies from 150 to 2,500 lines per minute. Lines per minute.
Non-impact printer. Non-impact printer are the printers in which there is no physical or mechanical contact between print head and the paper. Printing is done by laser in this printer. Quality of this printing is very good. Nowadays these printers are used the most. Types of non-impact printer. Laser printer. Inkjet printer.
History of laser printer. Gary Starkweather invented the laser printer in 1969 at the Xerox REC. After this, in 1984, Hewlett-Packard invented the laser printer for the use of public. Laser printer. Laser printer is printer which produces high-quality text and graphics by repeatedly passing a laser beam back and forth over a negatively charged cylinder called a drum. Laser printer is a fast-speed printer whose printing quality is very good and economical.
Laser printer are more reliable than inkjet printers. Unlike ink cartridges, toners are free from drying out and evaporating. In terms of sharpness and quality, there is nothing that can beat a laser printer. Compared to an inkjet or a DMP, laser printer are faster. The laser printer use toners which can print more papers than an ink cartridge of the same price.
History of inkjet printer. The world's first inkjet printer was made in Japan by Ichiro Indo. And it was later developed by Hewlett-Packard in 1976.
Inkjet printer capable of printing in vivid color, good for printing pictures. Inkjet printer work best in high-quality papers. A most common issues that most inkjet printers face is the ink clogging. The initial cost of inkjet printer is cheap, Although the printing of inkjet printer is little bit slow, but it is still a cheap and very popular printer. Print quality of inkjet printer is also good. Inkjet printer is the best printer to use at home and in small shops.
Difference between impact and non-impact printer. There is a physical contact between print head and the paper. There is no physical contact between print head and the paper. They are noisy printers. They are not noisy printers. Print quality is poor. Print quality is higher. They are cheap printers. They are expensive printer. They use continuous paper sheet. They use individual paper sheet. They are not suitable for graphics. They are suitable for graphics. E.g. drum, chain, DMP, daisy, wheel, etc. E.g. inkjet printer and laser printer.
Thank you. Like, share, comment, and subscribe. Thank you.